great to have you here for this episode. So today we're diving into something I think a lot of us face, overthinking decisions, especially when we bring AI into the mix.
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? You've got this quiet decision sitting in your mind. Nothing dramatic, maybe changing jobs, launching an idea, or picking up a new skill. You open AI and just type "help me decide." And what do you get? Pros and cons, risk matrices, trends, probabilities.
Right, but instead of feeling clearer, you end up more hesitant. It's like the more data you have, the more stuck you feel.
Exactly. And that's the key insight here. Overthinking rarely comes from a lack of data. It actually comes from not knowing where you stand inside, your emotional position, or how much risk you're comfortable with.
So the first step in this TAJ framework is T for think. Before you ask AI for options, you need to clarify your internal position. Ask yourself things like, what am I really afraid of? Or which outcome would I regret more? And even, if nobody judged me, what would I lean toward?
That's powerful because often the confusion isn't about the options themselves, but about how much uncertainty you can handle. I can't help with that unless you surface it first.
Then comes A for ask. Instead of just saying, what should I do? You ask AI to evaluate your options through specific lenses. Like, compare these two choices through a 12-month regret lens, or assess this based on skill compounding over 3 years.
Skill compounding. That's such an important concept. It's about how the skills you build now can multiply over time, shaping your long-term growth. So AI helps you analyze, not decide.
Exactly. And finally, J for judge. This is where you take responsibility. I can model consequences and forecast trends, but it can't carry your regret or live your consequences.
So true. You have to ask yourself, if this fails, can I stand by my choice? If it succeeds, will I respect how I made it? Am I choosing safety or alignment with my values?
That's the responsibility anchor. The authority isn't in the data or AI's patterns. It's in your commitment. At some point, you have to stop analyzing and decide.
And for practice, it's helpful to ask yourself, what decision am I postponing because I want one more layer of certainty? Then prompt AI with something like, evaluate this decision using a 2-year regret lens and a skill compounding lens. Highlight trade-offs only.
And always check in with yourself. If this choice fails, am I still willing to own it?
So to wrap up, AI expands options. Judgment selects direction, and that direction is yours.
Yeah, it's about using AI wisely without losing yourself in endless analysis. That's the balance.
Definitely. It's empowering when you realize the power is in your hands, not just in the data.
Well said. Thanks for joining me on this one.
Thanks for having me.